We're about to enter the part of the bull market where our crypto assets go parabolic. And in my opinion, this is the best time to sit down and create a bull market strategy, an investment thesis to ask yourself really important questions about what are you going to do when your crypto assets hit certain levels? Are you going to take profits from your blue chips and reinvest those into higher risk, higher reward plays? If yes, what are you going to do when those higher risk, higher reward plays hit certain levels? You want to prepare now so that this way, when the parabolic phase of the bull market starts and your Twitter feed or X feed is just full of bullishness and this crypto's popping off here and this one's popping off there, you're ready to take action because you already have a plan in place and you're not going to succumb to the craziness of the market, which creates emotions in us: greed, euphoria, complacency. These emotions are very powerful, and just like fear holds us back from taking action, greed, euphoria will neutralize your ability to take action when you need to take that action. Because the human brain cannot see an end to good times. Once we're in good times, we're winning. I believe it's called the hot hand theory. We literally cannot see the end to the bullishness. And if you've been in a past bull market, you know what I'm talking about. It's just there's always this time is different. We're getting global adoption. X, Y, and Z is the reason why the markets can't go down. You know, we got this narrative happening. So just, you don't want to get caught up in any of that. You just want to have a plan. You want to make sure you're regularly securing profits and you're ready for when this craziness and this banana zone starts in the bull market. So let's jump in. I have a treat for you. I want to show you some questions that I developed to help create an investment thesis that I believe will really help you get very clear on your goals for this bull run. So here is the investment thesis template. This is available in the description of this video. All you need to do is just make a copy and then you can edit it. It asks very specific questions. Well, number one, it starts, what's an investment thesis? It's a blueprint for making smart investment choices. It's a simple and clear explanation of why you believe your investments will be successful. I'm telling you, take the time to do this. Even go so far as to answer the questions that ask you why you think the bull market is happening now. It just helps you get very clear on your goals. And this way, if you encounter someone in your life that doubts crypto, that's negative, you have answers. You're able to articulate why you're in crypto, why you're making your investments, why you're putting money into the markets. It's very helpful. So it goes through personal investment goals, market understanding and analysis, investment rationale. This is why I believe, just taking the time to put this together can really help you. Your investment strategy, take profit strategy, risk management, psychological preparedness, and you can go back and just go through the previous bull markets and you could see, okay, if I invested in Ethereum here and it went here, or if I'm invested in a gaming token like Carrot or some other gaming token now, could it do something that Axie Infinity did in the past bull market? These are all just super helpful, and it just gets you to really drill down on your investment thesis. And then you just kind of create profit targets for your cryptos and you kind of just map everything out. We're already seeing, the fear and greed right now is at 65. Look, last week it was at 27. So that's how fast the markets can change. They can change really quickly on us. You already see here, Ethereum is just ready to rip. So it's looking really good here. And I think it can cleanly just hit these levels. We're just going to have to see. We have the ETFs launching on Tuesday. So it's going to be very exciting, and we're already seeing a lot of the cryptos here on the right. If you notice, a lot of stuff is already popping off in anticipation of the news. So everything is kind of lining up for us. One thing I also recommend, this is a really good article. I'll put this in the description of the video as well. It's Dr. Andrew Huberman and David Goggins, and it's talking about using willpower to slow brain aging, but more importantly, there's an area of the brain called the mid-anterior cingulate cortex. And this part of the brain is involved in discipline. And so just as we know, like David Goggins he could push himself to do anything. He's just an average person. And his whole story has been trying to teach people that, look, if I can do it, you can do it. And I think in this part of the bull run, it's important to start to learn things about how to maximize your ability to take action when you don't feel like it. In a bull market, it's very hard to take profit because we just think, well, if I take profit here, it's going to keep going and I'm going to miss out. My position size is going to shrink and whatever. But if you start to take action and do things now that you don't feel like doing, you can build that part of the brain that allows you to have self-will, to increase your willpower. So I'm just super fascinated about this. I wanted to share this with you. It's part of my strategy. I am doing things now that I don't feel like doing on a daily basis to push myself, to keep myself disciplined. Because I think that this opportunity in front of us is a generational opportunity. You want to take advantage of it because it can help you pay off student loans. It can help you buy a new house. This bull market is a gift, and I treat it as a gift. And I'm very grateful that we have crypto, that all of this technology works. And so I want to take advantage of this bull market. And I highly recommend that you do whatever you can, whatever is available to you, to take advantage of this bull market. Learn as much as you can about investing, about trading, to get into these markets to maximize this opportunity. If you like this video, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.